It started subtly. A bit of sawdust near the baseboard. I dismissed it as dust bunnies, a common occurrence in an old house. Then came the day I leaned against the living room wall. To my horror, it gave way, revealing a mushy, honeycombed interior. Termites! Panic surged through me. I knew termites were bad news, but I underestimated their destructive power. The damage was extensive, affecting multiple walls and even the floor joists. It was a homeowner's worst nightmare. The realization that these tiny creatures were silently devouring my home from the inside out was deeply unsettling. It felt like my sanctuary, my investment, was under attack by an invisible enemy. Termites are masters of disguise. They work in the dark, hidden within walls, floors, and ceilings. Early detection is crucial to prevent catastrophic damage. Keep an eye out for these telltale signs: unexplained piles of sawdust, also known as frass, mud tubes on walls or foundations, hollow-sounding wood, and discarded wings from termite swarmers. Don't ignore these red flags. Early detection can save you thousands of dollars and immense heartache in the long run. Ignoring termite infestations can have dire consequences. These silent destroyers can compromise the structural integrity of your home, leading to costly repairs. In my case, the repair bill was staggering. Replacing the damaged wood, treating the infestation, and repainting set me back thousands. And that's not counting the emotional toll of dealing with the disruption and the fear of further damage. To add insult to injury, most homeowners' insurance policies don't cover termite damage. It's considered a preventable problem, leaving homeowners to shoulder the financial burden alone. Faced with a hefty repair bill and the need to eradicate the termite invaders, I searched for a solution that was both effective and affordable. That's when I discovered beneficial nematodes. These microscopic, worm-like organisms are natural predators of termites and other soil-dwelling pests. They hunt and penetrate termites, releasing bacteria that quickly kill them. Nematodes are a safe and environmentally friendly alternative to harsh chemical pesticides. They pose no threat to humans, pets, or plants, making them ideal for use around homes. Section 5. Waging War on Termites, a step-by-step guide to nematode application. Nematodes are readily available online and at garden centers. They typically come in a dormant state and need to be activated with water before application. Here's how to apply nematodes. First, prepare the solution. Mix the nematodes with water according to the package instructions. Use a watering can or garden sprayer for easy application. Next, identify target areas. Apply the nematode solution to areas where termites are present or suspected, including the soil around your home's foundation, near wood piles, and around tree stumps. Then, water thoroughly. After application, water the treated areas thoroughly to help the nematodes penetrate the soil and reach their target. For best results, apply nematodes in the evening or on a cool, cloudy day to protect them from direct sunlight. Section 6. Building a fortress. Additional lines of defense for your home. While nematodes are highly effective, combining them with other preventative measures can create a formidable defense against future termite invasions. Orange oil is a natural insecticide that is deadly to termites and can be applied directly to infested wood. Diatomaceous earth is an abrasive powder that cuts through the exoskeletons of insects, causing dehydration and death. Sprinkle it around the perimeter of your home and in crawl spaces. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By taking proactive steps, you can protect your home from these destructive pests. Section 7. Vigilance is key monthly maintenance for lasting protection. Once you've addressed an infestation, it's crucial to remain vigilant. Monthly inspections and maintenance can help prevent reinfestation and ensure long-term protection. Inspect for signs of activity. Regularly check for signs of termite activity, such as mud tubes, discarded wings, or wood damage. Maintain moisture control. Repair leaky faucets, gutters, and downspouts to prevent water from accumulating around your foundation. Eliminate wood-to-soil contact. Keep firewood, lumber, and mulch away from your home's foundation. By making termite control a regular part of your home maintenance routine, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is protected. Section 8. Don't wait for disaster. Take action today. Termites are a serious threat to homes, but they don't have to be a homeowner's nightmare. By understanding the risks, recognizing the signs, and taking proactive steps, you can protect your home and your investment. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action today. Inspect your home, address any signs of infestation, and implement preventative measures. Your home and your wallet will thank you.